everyone. It is Tuesday and it is 31st. People are getting ready for New Year celebration. Well, I didn't plan to do kind of much because I'm on my own. But by pure accident, yesterday I got a call from a lady. I met this lady a couple weeks ago and she apparently lives close by, next building to mine. So we exchanged our numbers and we're kind of chatting here and there. And yesterday she was calling me asking what I'm doing for New Year. And I said, nothing, you know what I mean? So she suggested to go for a meal nearby. I thought she's on her own as well, and she's my age. So I suggested why we don't have more relaxing atmosphere, and I invited her to my place. So after chatting for a bit, we decided we don't do any kind of extra shopping. We'll have some nibbles, whatever we have in the fridge, freezer, whatever. She says she's going to bring something. So we'll have whatever we have in the fridge. That's the bottom line. The company, that's what it matters. So I'm actually excited for this challenge, and I'm looking forward not to be alone on New Year Eve. We're meeting around 6 p.m. I don't know how long we are going to last, of course. At our age, we won't last until midnight, but you never know. So now I decided to take you in the kitchen at least to show what I'm planning to do, because reading your comments, some of you don't mind me sharing my cooking skills. I love cooking. And well, just to give you an idea, I'm not planning to do much, but I thought since I'm cooking today, I'll make sure I have something for tomorrow as well. So I'll take you in the kitchen, but I need to go first to buy myself milk, top up my transit pass. So I have for the entire January to travel around and explore, the nature in different parts of Vancouver. Plus, I need to go to the post office. I wanted to share with you, looks like something was sold on Etsy. These ones are textile labels. So what I was doing, I was stamping. I have a good collection of rubber stamps, and I'm stamping them on different fabrics, cotton fabrics, linen fabrics, and people are using in their own crafts. I don't know how much will be the postage because the lady is in Australia and I never shipped to Australia. My target was North America, and I sold quite a few to United States and Canada. They were very popular in UK. So here I am. First I'll do quickly my things to buy myself milk and tangerines or mandarins or oranges, whatever is there. And I'll come back and I'll start to do some cooking. But I'll show you before I leave what I'm planning to do. So let's go to the kitchen. It's a nice day. I would kind of take out, but I have to do my cooking. So here what I pulled from the fridge freezer, and I'll explain what I'm going to do, all this stuff. Now the rice, plus I have some boiled eggs, and I have this crab meat. So I'll do crab salad by adding mayonnaise. I'll take you kind of through when I'm going to kind of prepare the salad. So that's one appetizer. A second appetizer will be deviled eggs. Now another thing is I have some tortillas in the freezer, so I'll have tortilla pinwheels, and I'll show you how I'm doing them. I do have cream cheese, smoked salmon, plus I have my homemade Parmesan batter. I have in the freezer. So Parmesan cheese, butter, a little bit of paprika, some chives, and I'll mix with cream cheese and I'll make pinwheels. Now I have this bread, bruschetta. When I have time, I do and keep in the freezer. And it's quite good because it's a big size. And I'll just put in the oven for a few minutes, grill it. And I'll cut in slices. And instead of pizza or something, so that's another thing. I have my homemade wedges. Sorry, not wedges. Wedges. I did them quite a while ago. And they're actually quite good. I blanched them for 4 minutes, then I put in the cold water, dried them, then I put in the bags and I froze them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bake in the oven wedges. I have some meatballs, again, homemade, frozen. So what I'm going to do with meatballs, I'm going to put barbecue sauce, a little bit of cranberry sauce, and just cook them in the sauce and serve with, toothpicks. Now, here I have 4 chicken breasts. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use all of them, but probably I will. So I don't have to cook for a couple days. And what I'm planning to do, chicken satay. I thought that will be quick. So that's my thing. I might do a pasta salad. I'll see how it goes. Now this stuff, it's my homemade salsa, and this is Italian kind of recipe. It's eggplant. It's called melanzane. So I might serve that. And this one I don't know. It's like pickled carrot and a daikon. I'm not too sure if I'll serve. So I'll put in little dishes, and it's gonna be variety of food to serve. So that's my plan for today. Let's do the laundry, 1 load of laundry, plus I need to take this gift to a neighbor who was away, but she's back now, so I'm gonna put under her door and I'll take the laundry downstairs. I don't have much, but I don't want to leave for the next year, so I want to do my laundry today on 31st. Good morning, Happy New Year, Happy New Beginnings, and I wish you all the happiness in the world. I would like to take a couple minutes to thank you for all your support, your comments. I'm not too sure if I can manage to put this video today, but I just wanted to share with you my New Year kind of celebration. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. It's a big mess. I have to clean up, but guess what? January 1st, I don't do the dishes. Again, it's another Russian superstition. So I don't do anything on January 1st. I'll just enjoy. As you can see, I have no makeup. I just pure natural. So I thought, well, you can see behind the scenes what's going on. As I mentioned in my previous clip, I met a lady. She's from like nearby building, and we got together last night. I wasn't sure, but I thought, well, at least I'm not alone on New Year Eve. Believe it or not, she came at 6 and we stayed until 12:30. Can you imagine? Who said seniors cannot party? We had a really good time. We were chatting, we were eating. I have some clips where I'm preparing a couple appetizers so you can see. We had half a bottle of champagne. We're not both drinkers, but we managed to tackle half a bottle of champagne. And also we had some homemade liquor. In the summer, I was collecting blackberries and I made homemade liquor. She really enjoyed that. It's quite nice. And in the future, if you are interested, I'll be sharing that recipe as well. I just wanted to kind of wish you a Happy New Year and let you know what I'm doing today, January 1st. I'll have my second cup of coffee, try to take a shower, put a makeup, and I'm gonna go for a nice walk. I'll see where I'm going, and I'll insert in this video. Like I said, I'm not too sure if I can post this video today, but definitely tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful day, and whatever you are wishing and dreaming, believe in this because it's gonna come through. Thank you again for all your support.